Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta fruit salad. Heat pasta, rinse under cold water, and chill it thoroughly before mixing. Start by cooking 8 ounces of small pasta until al dente, then drain and cool. Fold in diced fruit, herbs, and a tangy citrus yogurt dressing. Adjust sweetness to taste and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld before serving. Gather ingredients before you start to keep prep smooth and quick. Measure 8 ounces of pasta and prepare 2 cups of diced fruit so everything is ready. Whisk together 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Chop herbs and optional nuts on a board and line a bowl for tossing. This setup saves time and prevents overcooking the pasta. Combine chilled pasta and fruit gently to preserve texture and appearance. Pour dressing gradually and taste as you go, balancing sweetness and acidity for the perfect bite. If using soft berries, fold them in last to avoid breaking them apart. Refrigerate for 30 to 60 minutes so flavors marry and the pasta absorbs a bit of dressing. Add nuts or seeds only before serving to keep them crisp.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.